Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Today I just have a few cards to share with you and a cute little embellishment idea that could be used to package up some cards on a belly band. So I'm gonna share the cards that I've made first here. I've got these this one here that I've used my circle dies again, and in this case I've used it kind of as a negative space and punched out or die cut out a circle on the front of the card base, and I've used some scrapbook paper that says hello on it, kind of in some big font there, and then it's kind of a vintage paper. It's got some little kind of pink splatter dots on there and a little piece of supposed to look like Scotch tape, old Scotch tape on there. So you can just see a little bit of that on the side there. And then I've used some black and white for the top, one of the frame circles. And on the inside, I used another one of the die cut circles and stamped "Life is a great bundle of little things." And there's a little quote by Oliver Wendell Holmes. And that was a stamp that I had. And that's this one here. And so yeah, that's just a cute little note card to send to someone. So I did a couple of those. There's the second one. So they're pretty much identical there, but that was cute. And then I did, let's see here. I did these little embellishments, and I used these little set of oval frame dies that I had. And there's 4 that come in this little set. And so I've layered them up, and on the top oval there, I just stamped a little bird on there. And this one I did in a blue ink, but some I did in black ink, and this particular one I did in pink pigment ink on there, and just use different colors. This one's the purples, and there's another one with some purple and black. And this one's another different shades of blue on there. And they're really easy to put together, but you just use the dies and cut out the different size ovals and layer them up. And so I've got a couple ready that we can put together here. And I wanted to show you too how I used one of the little birds on here. This is a packaging of cards. I've got 3 different cards in here, and put it in a cellophane bag. And then I've got a belly band on here that I've made, and used a stamp, "Spread Your Wings and Fly," on these 2 that I'm going to show you here, and stamped that on there. And then I stamped the little bird beside here, and I just attached those with some of the tape on the front there, and then the belly band can slide up and down, and it's a nice way to package up your cards to give to someone. I gave one to one of my neighbors the other day, and she really liked that. And I thought these would be nice to put on here as well. I did these after I had already packaged some of these up, but this would, make a nice front on the package as well. Not on top of that, but just to get the idea that you could do different things. So that's one. And then here's another one that I did. And this one, the paper that I used, this pink floral with little birds on it, already had the bird on there. I didn't stamp that one on. That was just on the paper, so I didn't add a second one. But yeah, so you can use any papers you like, and they're pretty quick and easy to put on your little card packages. It's a nice way to give them. And yeah, so we'll go ahead here and put a couple of these little embellishments together. Okay, so this one here is a set of circles, and so I've already gone ahead and put the adhesive tape on the back of these. So I'm just going to layer them up here. Hopefully, there we go. And you could do these in any colors that you like, or they could be all solid colors, or you could mix them up like I've done here. Different patterns, just kind of in the same tones and stuff. And then the last one here is the one I've stamped the little bird on. Whoops. It's a little harder when I'm holding it here, but there we go. So that could go, it could be on a belly band as well. It would look cute on here. not necessarily with the pink, but if you had some yellow or cream tones, it would be nice. So there's that one. And then we'll do this oval one here. And you don't necessarily have to use a bird stamp. You could use, you know, a little flower, or maybe a butterfly. Or, you know, you can look through your stamps and see what you have that would work. But I thought they made really cute little embellishments, and you could actually use these in making a card as well. Just use it on the front of one of your cards. And yeah, I hope that gives you some inspiration and some ideas, and that you're able to create a few of these for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.